As we are well into the season of the goat, I want to give those Capricorns out there, or those who have Capricorn in their chart, some health considerations. So let's get right into it. As mentioned previously, Capricorn rules the knees, joints, bones, and connective tissue of the body. In addition to the bones and joints of the body, Capricorn also rules the gallbladder, which is really important for one particular knee muscle called the popliteus. This correlation is especially important for the stability of the posterior aspect of the knee. In regards of the nutrition of a Capricorn, they are a very meat-heavy, dense sign, so it's very important that they get their quality protein in their diet. With the same theme of sustenance, it's really good that Capricorns also get some really good warm preparation of hard squashes, root vegetables, as well as dark leafy greens. So we have protein and minerals that especially have vitamin C in them that would help with collagen formation, that actually would help support the joints of the body. This will also include some high quality dairy, so things like goat and sheep cheese. Because somebody needs some milk! Another nutritional focus that should be put on a Capricorn should be actually getting some good saturated fats in their diet, which would include things like coconut oil, eggs, fatty fish, grass-fed beef, and even organic butter. Regarding movement of a Capricorn, the main theme we want to think about is longevity. So we want to learn to pace work properly, keep efforts sustainable, support the body's ability to move for many different decades. So you want to have things like longer warm-up, and absolutely include some mobility practice, because being that this is a cold sign, they need moisture to actually help with the joints. So developing hamstrings, we can actually help prevent imbalancing of their body's musculature. In regards to strength and conditioning, the main focus we want to have is having time over tension by using effective tempos or exercise prescription. A beneficial strategy is using things that mimic climbing ability, because naturally as the goat, they're going to climb a lot of different things, and this is going to be very vital to how they actually can progress their workout programs. So that being said, pacing is the key to all of this for them. Things that also involve carrying weight over a certain distance with inclines as well as declines. Intention is endurance based in their strength and conditioning programs. Regarding running for a Capricorn, mid to long distance should be decent enough. The main focus should be taking care of the knees. Regarding yoga, strong focus should be put on alignment, posture, and longer holds for them specifically. And if yoga becomes a little bit too much strain on their body, they can also focus on things like Tai Chi or even Qigong movements. Great sports for a Capricorn would include things like bouldering or climbing, certainly mountain biking, as well as backpacking and rucking. Some of the clinical key things that I've seen with Capricorn patients have actually been really more related to knee issues, which also involves gallbladder inflammation, things that can actually affect how that popliteus muscle in the back of the knee can actually affect them. In addition to this, this could be part of a malabsorption issue, so sometimes bile salts or liver flushing might actually help with recovery of that. That being said though, Capricorns are a very strong sign. They tend to actually do pretty well in a lot of sports in regards to just how they actually hold themselves up in regards to their structural standpoint, because after all, they are the goat. They can scale mountains, and on top of that, they can come out of it with just like a very stoic attitude. So I hope this has helped for all of you guys who actually have Capricorn in your chart or are Capricorns, and have a great rest of your Capricorn season.